Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In my channel, you will see a lot of home decorating, shopping haul, thrifting hauls, glam tablescape, and a little bit of DIY. I consider tablescape is my signature content in my channel. This is one of my passion to do. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Glamour Ellen. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to redecorate my loft in fall. Again, over the top glam. But before we do that, I'm going to do unboxing first. This item I'm going to incorporate here in my loft. The portion of this video is sponsored by Kwsaz. It is a glam candle warmer in two different colors. It is silver and white and gold and black. So I picked the silver and white. Alright guys, this is the close-up name of Kwsaz wax melting lamp. Thank you to Joy of Kwsaz for reaching out to me to review this product. So everyone, this candle warmer, it comes with two different colors. The other one is silver and white, and the other one is black and gold. I really love it because, you know, I'm glam. I love glam, and my loft is very glam. So it comes with instruction right here. Alright, they sell it really good, and it comes like this. Alright, let's assemble it first before I'm gonna design it. So it looks like this, the bulb. Here guys, I need Steve's help. He put the bulb inside. So what he do, he twisted it to make it tight. Over here, I removed the plastic that it came with the product. They put this one so that the product will not get scratched. Hey everyone, this is Kwsaz Glam Candle Warmer. The great thing about this one is you don't need to light your candle. You put this candle here on the top, and it will actually warm your candle, and it makes your room smells great. Alright, let's see how this works. So at the back, there's a power outlet right here. Let's plug this in. I will start with my small candle. As you can see, it's perfect there, and then I turn this on. So this is actually melt the candle, and it makes your room smells really great. Alright, I will do another candle. This one is a little bit bigger over here. So I'm not gonna adjust the stand yet because it's perfect like that. Now with this one, I'm going with my glam candle because I love glam, so this is the perfect over here. Now I'm going to do adjustment at the back and make this taller like that. That's it guys, and then if you would like it to be really bright or more warmer, it's like that. The bonus features is it comes with USB charger port at the front. Voila. Hey guys, I highly recommend this glam candle warmer. If you like to purchase one, the link will be in my description box along with my discount code. This video is a part of our close collab with my group, the Glam Squad, in our full home tour series, and the members are myself, Glamour Ellen, N of luxury living with N. B of elegant designs by B. Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor. Guys, after you watch my video, please go over to my friend's channel and tell them I sent you. And if you're from my friend's channel, N of luxury living with N, V of elegance designs by V, Tammy of Glam Queen of Decor, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by.
To be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me.
This pumpkin right here, I bought this one from Home Goods 2 years ago. I thrifted this fall through pillow from Goodwill 3 years ago and it was a Pier 1 brand. This pumpkin right here from Home Goods 2 years ago. This pumpkin, I recently hauled that from Marshall. This one from Goodwill, it was recently thrift and it was $4.49. It was 50% off. Flowers from at home. And here's the baby pumpkin as well, also from Marshall. Over here, vase from Burlington 3 years ago. Welcome to my Glam Loft, and I hope you enjoy.
I found a place where I can drown the old you. And when you look on the horizon, what you see is what you get. A sparkle in a diamond and the southern sunset. I didn't know what I was doing wrong. All the things I going wrong. I didn't know it could be that strong. Just let it go and carry on. I've been up, I've been down.
Lamp from Home Goods. My yellow and gold wall art from Burlington. My mirror from Home Goods 2 years ago. And some of my throw pillows right here. This pumpkin from Home Goods and recently hauled. The yellow pillow from HomeSense also recently hauled. And the other one, the yellow and gold from Home Goods as well. And here guys is the Glam candle warmer. The room smells really good, everyone. I love it.
Didn't know it could be that strong. Just let it go and carry on. I didn't know what I was doing wrong, all the things I had going on. Oh, I didn't know it could be that strong. Just let go and carry on. Oh, I didn't know what I was doing wrong, all the things I had going on. Didn't know it could be that strong. Just let go and carry on. Just let go and carry on. Life was dull until you came. I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away.
Guys, this curtain right here is recently hauled from HomeSense, and I love it because it's very thick and it was a double layer, as you can see over here. This is a blackout from the sunlight. My queen pumpkin from Home Goods, and over here guys, my papa's grass. It was mixed from World Market, Michael's, and Juan. My wall art from TG Maxx. Everyone, this video is also a part of our open invitation of our 1-year anniversary in our group, the Glam Squad, and it was an elegant fall tablescape. You can style any kind of tablescape and what is your expertise in your channel. And guys, please don't forget to check the rest of my friends' video. And if you like my videos, I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the bell twice so every time I upload videos, you will be notified. The details of the open collaboration that we are hosting will be in our community tab. I hope to see you on August 26 at 7 p.m. And let's have fall fun, guys. Once again, thank you so much to all my subscribers who are always watching my videos. I really appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope you get some inspiration and ideas in my interior decorating, especially my tablescape. And if you want to recreate some of them, you're very welcome, and let me know so that I can put you in my playlist. Everyone, I highly recommend this Glam candle warmer. Please check my description box. The link will be there with my discount code. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye everyone. Be safe.